Now, I don't usually put tape on my eyes, but because I want this to be cleaner than like other looks I've done, I'm gonna do it anyways. So to begin with, I already primed my eyes with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm gonna take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to use... I'm gonna start on my inner corner, and I'm gonna blend it outwards. I'm filming this at like 6 in the morning because I couldn't sleep, and I'd rather be productive instead of like sleeping, because I feel like all I've been doing lately is sleep. So yeah. Now that I have that light green as my transition shade, I'm going with the darker green, and I'm going to put that on my right underneath it, right on the crease, just to deepen it a little bit before I go in with a darker color. Now I'm gonna go in with the tealish color and with the green at the same time, and I'm gonna put that on my actual eyelid, but I'm not gonna bring it all the way back. I'm just gonna bring it a little over, like halfway of my eyelid, because I'm gonna add a black towards the end to deepen the color up. Now I'm gonna go in back with a blending brush, and I'm gonna take a black, and I'm gonna put that on my outer corner and bring it in towards on my eyelid to blend it out. With black, you kind of have to be careful because you have to go a little bit at a time, because if you put too much black, it's gonna be harder to blend out. You always want to take a little bit and then blend it out instead of adding it all at the same time, because you can always add, but trying to take off black is harder, to be honest. So what I like to do is I like to take a little bit of black in a blending brush, and I just pack it on there in order for it to be easier to blend out, in my opinion. And I'm only gonna do in circular motions, trying to bring it into the middle, but I don't want to go too far in, so that I could still go in back with the green and deepen up the color. I'm gonna take a clean blending brush in between, and I'm also going to blend in on the outside so it's not harsh. And like I said, I'm gonna go in with the clean brush, and I'm gonna just blend in the sides so I don't get harsh lines. It's kind of hard to get pigment on, so again I'm gonna go in with a packing brush and put the black on there so it's more pigmented. And I'm going with the clean blending brush, and I'm gonna blend in my outer corner. I'm gonna go in with a clean packing brush And I'm going with the shimmery green. But first, I'm gonna spray my brush. And I'm gonna drag it out into the middle. Far enough so that the green and the black meet. So while my face is baking, I'm gonna go with this really small packing brush. I'm gonna put that on. I'm gonna get the same colors and then just apply them on my lower waterline in the same order. So like I did my eye, I'm gonna go in with the lightest in the beginning, work my way up to the darkest colors, and I'm ending with the black towards the end. Now girl gotta add some gloss. The gloss I'm gonna use is the MAC cream sheen gloss, and I'm gonna use that in the color Fashion Whim. Now that the lashes are all done, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Yeah, if you guys have any recommendations for videos, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it, comment, do whatever you want. If you didn't like it, oh well, I can't really make you like it. If you didn't like it, why are you all the way to the end? That's a real question. But this is the final look, and I'm gonna go. Bye.